Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this red DS Lite that I got from the Salvation Army for $15, and it is almost brand new. It's never been set up before. And it came with Brain Age 2, so I think it was the bundle that they sold targeted to older people so that they'd want to buy a DS, but I'm not quite sure. Now you can see that it's never been set up before because it's asking to calibrate the touchscreen. And I did go past this once and it brought me just to the setup menu. You can also see that the contacts on the game look really good. And surprisingly, it had the Game Boy slot cover. And I've never noticed this, but there's actually a little board inside with some contacts. So we're going to open that up and see what's inside. It just uses the standard triangle shape bit, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. Now, let's see what's inside. Okay, so it is just a blank board. I'm not sure, maybe it's the same as a Game Boy Advance board, but there's no spots for anything. And I don't have any Game Boy Advance games anymore because I sold them all, but I think it probably has the normal contacts so that it keeps the contacts on the inside of the DS clean. And if it was plastic, it might get built up on there and then it wouldn't read games, so I'm really not sure, but that's what I think. Let's get a quick thumbnail shot. Here's my original DS that I regularly played on, so that you can see the condition of the red one. There are almost no scratches on either of the screens, and on my DS, it is terribly scratched. Same goes for the top and bottom of it too. And something about these is that the batteries are amazing. I haven't charged this one in probably almost a year, and it still says it's fully charged. I'll just clean some of those fingerprints off. And you can hear that the hinge sounds really clicky versus mine that just doesn't sound that good. And the one in the black DS is way softer too. So the red DS has not been used nearly as much. Now, let's put the cover back together. Wow, this thing's actually kind of hard to line up. There we go. Oh, no? How do you get this in? Okay, now it's together. And we can now put in the triangle screw. I'm going to be listing this DS on eBay because it's in such good condition, but I lost the stylus, so I'm going to have to use this one that I just had laying around. I also got these two games for basically free, so I'll include them. I don't think anybody would buy them on their own, so hopefully they'd make somebody want this DS more. Now, let's open this DS up and see what it looks like on the inside. It uses the same triangle screws as the Game Boy cartridge does. The battery compartment uses a Phillips head screw. The battery is not swollen or anything. It actually looks like it's sucked in. Oh, there's little covers above these screws. I don't actually want to take them off because maybe it hurt the retail value of this if somebody's seeing that it's been open. So, I guess I'll just put it back together. Now it's back together. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.